Ebusia form we be akwaba eba attention TV so enje concerto. Then concerto no ensem ewu ya pack nyama bebre ewu ma. Yesamo ye counselors Alexander Opon ewa hase ye no ebe hwe nkomo afa ensem e concern social matters and also e concern ensem 21st century my one memma actually one so adwena so be worry ana say obeye ant na worry ana so worry we ansa na waye and there counselor ba ko pe e wa hase be cheche mu ama yate ase papa ye na one o say asne ma edijimede ebro University Foundation e oba so no bia o dey no what to say na me wo biara me de bebo agya kawa na oni bia ni mo browa me asem o ka cho bia de obi bia se o so papa ye se obi ana wa chede bi na person de ma foundation bi dia ene ye University Foundation na wetimi e de weni atwa na wo de akoche no so e de agbawo na woni bi obenya no e wo 054 8302985 054 8302985. There's also Eda Natis Boutique and Cosmetic Asbaba Paye. Said that also must say, hey, Ronya Bay in Tadie in Papua bag, and I say, Shower Jawas, Semna Lidalia, Livia Opibia, and then a Natis Boutique and Cosmetic or Ablikuma Agape Tarazo, Ablikuma Agape Tarazo. Ubenano, it was 02426316202 02426316220. Midin ane akosia skakos mi twa me ho aba e den common verses. Ewusia form bi akwa ba se wonya bretre ma me twa me ho sima ba kope e de e ba ye attention ko concert so na e kana me se ende de ya parke ye bog am kasankasa na ye de bro ye nya ye counselor ba kope wa hase Alexander Opon ai ne ebe twe komo afa social matters ene ensem at 21st century e mayo ne memma mudi bobo mu ene o hase obe pense mama ye hu ne ye ene ne enye o hwe me sani faso anende and dress and e think we ni patuntu muti waje colored dress e be bright na so hase ate counselor mo kwaba
yeah me aba
na afome
Crystal do me hoye
counselor na ye shasia ye movie industry obi a hwe movie akala kra ye wono kra oda ho abo mu su kakra no de nya ko hwe TV no so kakra no hwe movie na mi bisa se o hwe Ghana movie industry na e kosan na etse
we de benda se afi so machia watifo ni ahwefo nyina no obi akwa e ba attention TV ye hwe ye Ghana ye movie industry na enkane de na keye enkane na ewade adom na ekoye to se yenya futuo ewo mu yenya asresem enso mu sanso na yenya enema hechi enwre etumisua abrabomu emu anante na futuo nyina mu na sese no na se enema nkwe kakra ntino se ato se makakra eti make us for now the Ghana movie industry there say ato nshim kakra
enti when actors for any actresses for work as a professionalism in the movie industry by adriana because what say I say wo actor it make us about 6 a.m. Because 6 a.m. police at make us say that be you trying 6 a.m. be trying 3 p.m. to train akwai say say wo kasa na ba that what you think kakra until we be boss bi no we adriana
many of me are doing what can be so. I feel quite many of money in the sense say, me want to say, movie channel. Yeah, the time. Okay. About corner. Secondly, you know, your machine to say camera, lighting, and then your free bit says true. Multimedia so the anyway be. Nipe be na no any cinema be. Bu am ko high cinema. Hey, ti. Me gidi say e bi obet masha wo time bi say bia bra time say na eni betwa sene we bia awia no miensa but e bi be do na ade bia komo twen no mde twa sa ade no na ni mai okay enti na me ka say ekwan bi so no me jom tum say professionalism eni mo ibu oso a enti sa enti no me ka say di kan no akade a e di be ka movie industry no ho Emma edimu emma respect abemu no akade no NCP bet make say do a supporter omuhia no eni wo sa enti bebre na no ede won ka sika ana support ade no enti edu bi a expectations it me feel no am okay enti no make say e was sa kwan no so no emwa producers no ama professionalism no endimu enti no ana fe to simionu so no enipa na so abalebo wa senior producers be accept wo na masifa enyomo adere no ebu adere is na ye de mo se mo ba se ni se na be koso to bu a wo ba no wa se ne mre se bia within 3 hours o se me fiho ba na entesa na ama enyoma ato sin yakra enti no me hu ni se ekwan bi so no omo ka no kre se professionalism no enimu ekwan bi so no ebia na akade no na eni wonti na eba ne sa
and I say no movie industry in Nigeria for no na they say omo take you over and che bia na friends David or say a coach movie in Nigeria now ono kasa so by no be kasa about a Ghana movie industry net you compare Nollywood and Gollywood and Kumewood and also difference found woman
difference I'm saying Abrante bia say Radiadum Radiamana so akra friend no Akab Ebenezer na what kind of story and I say my work can say ibu o quarantine camera say na the kind no enti no wo hwe Nollywood na sika e wo mo sen Gollywood no and it's na where the number of Nigerians so mutu kwa Ghana ebe movie any Ghanaians so mo ko Nigeria kwa movie Ghana for the doors a chain Nigerians because say Nollywood no sika wo mo
oh me John no ba my say we nipa open movie now share Nollywood movies now wetin mo say Nigeria for wetin me dey fear back we movies bad ni wo ho
if you back
so that
me study
and I was the wetin me dey fear back ho akwai say ndo mbetwa enim ochina no mo ntwa enim o mbetwa ni mo nche no
okay
ebedu be no mbetwa fie ni na medo bi o mo ntwa ho mba o mbetwa bedroom ko a nzo ye nipa na wo ye obi o pay movies sha so say if you we no the actor you no the actor
okay
that Nollywood no enye sikasem ana because on say na make no mutimi di fie back ho twa movie and obi craft fie producer bi fie o say ani enfentwa na ye wi a masan from hard back
oh you true owe Kumawood kwa na kana am say mare Kumawood miensa eja ko mreso no mutimi di one location and I say if you could me twa be movie miensa te say owe asoreba na hwe wonya mesumponi o dey say you say ebia the same vicinity na no mutwa some movie no o dey say enti no me hu say to the actress and the actors no to accept what the producer is bringing on board but Kobane say what actor no who ye won say wonim see the producer na the Ntawantawaba but producer na from board so just listen to what the producer is saying now why they waiting at the show by Kobane say person which say wonim see producer na ebia next time come one from maybe because of back setter we ye won say we the channel on baby but say bia say Ghana phone to kwa Nigeria na omulum so ko bi ma so ntino they must adhere to whatever producer be catching bia on be so but Kobane say Ghana no familiarity ne do so ntino e bia actor no so wonyes ka crass ne producer na o ti producer na ka no I don't know any man who say about music industry from Nigerian actors no and I say Nollywood no air cost so say Gollywood dem say told you say
oh Gollywood don't say say Accra wood
Gollywood say I told you and like I say I think that we have to look at it from this side say I will say you're building on our devices music movie no now for secondly so actors is be suade na wo suade na wo ba na say producer no enim say woni made a ono so be upgrade no ho so obey better as no and they be increase the professionalism in the movie industry.
I can say Ghana for so cast say no kuma would no wasting for time. The sin back where the mobile to me trying to be 5 minutes. Now I say Jimmy quite long to watch.
Me was a kuma would no omunyina so bebre no ekoye asresen.
Okay.
Ebiwa na a futuo
but the assessment members for
hand no Ghana for no any bebre any ko asresen no side ana ibewu Ghana depression also ewa
phone so by
enti no say obu a also tigma na sere na a release depression no and ekoba asa ma say na asresem no edoso chene efutu ne bia wo movie ni mo also omode na di echele ye no
na da so movie ni ma ye ni oba ba ko a eni enga so no certificate a e dey movie na o de wa nya bi na wasan so wa be jidi papa ye wo Ghana as na ma impress na mama bro ye hwe ni modern bo enchebia no nya awards and I deal see back to back. I said Joe back there. Ni na so ana say ye hwe say obi a woni certificate na obedu say ya owe na ye hwe you ta ye so ye ba say so with the spirit no asaba na me ka hwe
medas say emodu ye hwe ye maame anama McBrown baby obia onyame Asia no. In fact, were inspired a lot with her life.
Yeah.
You know, me want to say they can focus in this life. You know, abraboy embono. It do mrebia. Na ye will say give up because enema esisi around you are. Sometimes you don't see you tomorrow, and we are sure say. Baby mama Anama McBrown apeja dui of floors or two for which maka should do baby no ni mo try dey see but o hwe nya nkropon ana o focus wo ade a wo ye no say this is what God has given to me and where up to date the be on TV anymore what you say o hunu say ba de ma say me tra TV anymore na me hye ni pen cry me di pansere na me tu ni pafo and we're building on that na Erade adom Erade peja no what the other man and they can hunu me Erade man as a youth
okay
hunu adebe na Erade wo dey amese menye e wa brabo imo wo di ke hu anu a wo bi se Erade a ho akwanti menye dan na madu apia se bidu no I said that to say yami adom social media ene nimdie kokan ti no YouTube ene ade de obesu usua bi a okoho awo ho na what me esua titi ena definitely so na be can be a abe o say give up a comedy wo mu ko he ma me na McBrown command me la e bi cry say wada bontena
school drop out
sanity but in na mu no wo hwe Erade na wo hwe nanim say we na pese bitu na ode Erade kan no wo do enti youth no hunu ya pesa wo ye na fe hwe Erade na eto enu kan say obedu ho
asa na ebe a discussion no yenko nyum to mu kakra ochame kwame eden sembe to just say Ghana for musicians someone has say you know Christmas in say Christmas someone no betiji ni new banger new EP singles no or the foot to be a comma artists for say one focus say e collaborations and yet competitions and person also or the foot to be ma your music and because I'm saying na Kwame Eugene so I didn't sing that to just say Emma Newtini bako yo ba enyo grateful if you say on also atronum amanoda now only no collaborated that we after Ochame Kwame de advice akwama nyom to for say nyom minyan nyom to for yen collaborating but my end dream competition until advise me if it's over
mene Ochame Kwame adwene esanse abrabono and their competition abrabono we all complement each other you're complementing on your competition enti ebia by focus and business o pese o kontema o kwanante abeso o kola du akira mienu monante obidu akiri etino se na o cha me kwa me ka no se ye pese ye du akiri dia magidin oso agidin ye mra mbom ye nyonyom mako be fans eno fans be ka bom e be push nyum na e be ko asene se dia ka won kwa boy no ana definitely me kwa me bo na wo so won kwa ba competition be mu enti ye be divided me pese be twa fans edi machi wo so pese be de twa fans edi machi enti ba bia ke wo se anke bia nyom ne du no ennu but yes ye ka bomu ne ya de na minu na be twa fans aba be twa fans aba ne ne ka bom na apega na aye kase ana 2 ema ye nwo ye nantini se de na oka kwa me di asem no odi asem na wo ka ko se ase bia ahomaso eya ba oba na oka ni mo odi ase anti no ye mre ho ase na fe ye support ye ho and I believe say it to be enyo do music industry ni ma e be push ye akofa and the Ghana for the music industry from no ko we ochana we ko na we ko na we na beef odi ase I think say no na e boyen form but say ka e betimi adodo ye ho na etimi a push each other abeboa wo hwe ye gospel industry ni kra de ne kon a piece of pa
ana okasa
ona sa wo hwe mefa say bia meka say wiase de bi owiase wo hwe other side na ye contemporary sa ai yesi wiase nyom na wo hwe mo a collabo no ho doso
sne ye ba esi gospel
what they say a change for no more eti me hu say na ye say na e pese ye du but anka the be boa say we boa ne yonko na we aboa ne ka boma ezi prayo hoyi we ba ko ebu
ka boma na say ye twaso dia ye du me bia youth for no etacho o ma dwe papa ezie na akwa say woni obi e wo mplanche mu a o say mplanche no en fa sugar mba ma obenku ni tilapia ma the love and chicken enti na mo do jimoni no eye mpemu agro is6 na question bi koso e Ghana hanu mo say akwa say e Christopher no ahuna trofo no de sex before marriage e bi mo say sex after marriage what do you say
that's it idi kan mekasa ejina fapem se mi Christo de na o kan trust no Deuteronomy 30 verse 19 Mose homo choye eti enumu eti abiasa Mose homo choye nenu friends the 5th book of Moses eti abiasa mo edunkro no o say na me de papa ene bone enhira enunu me esiwani wo nanka metufu say yi papa na woni wasefo enyankwa amen eti
kwaso
ana trust kabiem say whoever is born with a harlot is one with a harlot na say onipa biara oni odomanfo bebom e wonnem no unu odomanfo ne epe
say mini odomanfo ba koda
no ni koda
mini odomanfo
oso odomanfo
amen
I saw that. Enti di kan ye ka empemu na sexa enye energy di enko a na mo di kan apam e wo mu se unu obi da unu ni pano e kwa apam ba ko na mo kwa apam so a honhoma edi ni panachi no ebedi wachi meti meka se nipa ebri bo bra bi na enkan no ni sat bi dem but onipa bi ohia na onnya sa permanenti ana me na wa start ya wo bo bra bi eti mafutu abetu ni se anka ebetimi a timio anka ebetimi a yentwen nyame ya dom na oyihu kani ma wona ware na na kan na di sabro
me ntwa no o say me ntwen na say body say you body no be firewood na o say me ntwen na me ye oba na say me ye bema onim say nya me hwe mu ana me ko mi bia e de ma ebe nya ne ma ko no ebe na ma twen ebi so na me me ke mo kan chima bi wo ho on so say you say like post repel on like post no if I make king or be can na be make